ever wondered how investigators can detect when someone is lying? The polygraph machine, commonly known as a lie detector, is a device that uncovers hidden emotions and stress by measuring the body's natural physiological responses. By recording changes in breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and skin conductivity, the polygraph captures signals that may indicate deception. First, pneumograph or respiration sensor. Rubber tubes or belts placed on the chest and abdomen. It measures breathing rate, beat, and rhythm. Detects changes in respiration patterns during questioning, which can indicate stress or deception. Second, cardiosphygmograph or cardiovascular sensor. Blood pressure cuff placed on the arm. It monitors blood pressure and pulse rate. Sudden increases or irregularities can signal stress responses linked to deception. Third, galvanograph or electrodermal activity sensor. Electrodes attached to the fingertips or palm. It measures changes in the skin's electrical resistance, which varies with sweating. Fourth, kymograph. Motorized mechanism that moves the chart paper continuously. It provides steady paper fed so that pens from other sensors can produce a continuous physiological record. Fifth, pneumograph amplifier or transducer. Electronic circuits connected to the pneumograph belts. It converts small changes in chest and abdominal expansion into electrical signals that can be recorded on the chart. 6. Cardiosphygmograph amplifier. Electronic module linked to the blood pressure, cuff, and pulse sensors. It amplifies the cardiovascular signals for clear recording and analysis. 7. Galvanograph amplifier. Circuitry connected to the electrodes. It converts tiny electrical resistance changes in skin into signals that the chart recorder can visualize. 8. Pens or the writing styluses. Small ink pens or styluses attach each sensor. It throws the real-time physiological data onto the moving chart paper, creating a graphical record for analysis. 9. Control panel or switchboard. Buttons, knobs, and switches. It allows the examiner to calibrate sensors, start or stop recording, adjust for sensitivity, and manage chart speed. 10. Calibration weights or test signals. Small standardized weights for electronic test signals. It is used to check that each sensor and pen is functioning properly before the actual test begins. 11. Recording chart paper. Special paper mounted on the kymograph. It serves as the physical medium where all physiological responses are recorded simultaneously for interpretation.